where the highest number of the electors were registered. I am hopeful the poll percent will go up to 60% minimum.
The countdown for the second phase of assembly elections in 26 constituencies have started in Jammu and Kashmir. The poll body has deployed staff and sent EVMs to the designating polling booths to seal the fate of 239 candidates, including former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mr. Umar Abdullah, Apni Party President Sayyid Muhammad Altaf Bukhari, and the BJP State Unit Head Mr. Ravinder Raina. What are the preparations being made to ensure that smooth elections are conducted and more people come out to vote?
Different kind of facilitation have been provided to right from the nomination process when the candidates were coming to us for filing the nominations at the RO headquarters in the Deputy Commissioner office in Srinagar. So from there only we are facilitating the candidates. Now it's the time when the poll parties have come into the DCRC. DCRC means Dispatch Collection Reception Center at SP Higher Secondary School, this MA Road. You are very much present in here, and you can see, have a look upon the polling parties. They are having the presiding officer polling 1, 2, 3, plus microbuses are all the polling personnel as well as the microbuses are in place, and they have reported to the DCRC.
Can you please tell us what are the preparations being made to ensure smooth conduct of polls tomorrow?
Everything is okay here. Starting to end, सब कुछ सीक्वेंस से हो रहा है.
What are the preparations being made for the smooth conduct of polls tomorrow?
As you can see, we have been provided with the necessary material which will be used at the concerned polling station where we are deployed, and we have already been provided all the material.
So the staff will be deployed and EVMs sent to the polling decision?
Yes, within 2 or 3 hours we will be going there. Polling percentage will be much better than the last election.
Have the EVMs been sent to the designated places, designating polling booths?
No, EVMs had not been dispatched yet because we are expecting that it will whole polling parties of 143 polling stations will get their EVM and the different kind of the material which is required to be filled up by the polling parties at the closure of the poll, at the end of the poll, that is tomorrow on the poll day. So we are expecting that after taking the lunch, after having the lunch, they will be dispatched from this area only.
Sir, are there any special polling booths for women and handicapped?
Yeah, there are different kind of special polling stations. For women, there are pink polling stations. It's in the higher secondary school Zadibal. The green polling stations for the Zadibal constituency is in the Sasgaripura. It's in the Shahin Public School. We are having a special polling station for the disabled also, and we are also supplying the wheelchairs for physically challenged people. The polling parties will get the wheelchairs at the time of receiving the machinery, that is the UM and the other kind of material. So they will provide the facilities for the PWD voters in the polling station as well. The ramp has also been placed as the assured minimum facility.
The countdown for the second phase of assembly elections in 26 constituencies have started in Jammu and Kashmir. The poll body has deployed staff and sent EVMs to the designating polling booths to seal the fate of 239 candidates, including former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mr. Umar Abdullah, Apni Party President Sayyid Muhammad Altaf Bukhari, and the BJP State Unit Head Mr. Ravinder Raina. In Srinagar, for One India, Izhar Ali.
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.